Good morning everyone. Today I just want to talk in English with you about something simple. Not a lesson, not a rule, just a normal thought. Many people think learning happens only in classrooms or books, but actually learning happens in small daily moments. When you talk to someone, when you listen carefully, or even when you make a mistake, you are learning something new. For example, when you try to speak English and you forget a word, that moment feels uncomfortable, but that moment is powerful. Your brain is working. Next time, you will remember better. So don't escape from these moments. Accept them. Life is full of small chances to improve. A short conversation, a simple thought, or a few minutes of practice can slowly change your confidence. You don't need big plans every day. You only need awareness and consistency. Today's talk is just a reminder. Use small moments wisely. Speak a little, listen a little, and learn a little every day. That is enough. If you enjoyed this simple English talk, like the video, share it with someone who is learning English, and subscribe for more real and relaxed English conversations. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you again.